Can the Kotak Sampoorn Bima micro insurance plan help you provide meaningful financial protection at an affordable cost, or are its benefits too limited to meet your financial needs? Let us find out the answer to this question through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi there, welcome back to holisticinvestment.in, where we help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before we analyze this policy, let us first understand a few basic details about it. So, this is a non-participating, non-linked life insurance individual savings product. Some of the key features of the policy are, so you get to pay a single premium payment with no recurring premium commitment. You get guaranteed payouts on maturity and in the event of the policyholder's death, and there are no medical examination required at the time of policy issuance, which are subjected to the insurer's underwriting guidelines. So these are some of the key features of the policy. Now let us take a look at the advantages. Policy loans are available up to 50% of the policy's surrender value. The one-time premium structure ensures a simple and hassle-free investment experience. So these are some of the advantages. However, there are some drawbacks as well. Like the maximum sum assured is limited to 25,000, which may not provide adequate financial protection. Although the policy offers guaranteed benefits, the overall returns are relatively low. The policy comes with a fixed term, leaving no flexibility to choose the policy duration. These are some of the drawbacks that you need to keep in your mind before deciding to invest in this policy. So now, as we have a basic idea about the policy, let us move on to the analysis part of the video, where we are going to conduct an IRR analysis, which is we are going to calculate the internal rate of return of this policy based on the benefit illustration given in the policy brochure. So this policy offers you a minimum sum assured of 5,000 and a maximum of 25,000. However, under IRDAI guidelines, the minimum sum assured for a standard pure term policy, which is the Saral Jeevan Bima plan, is 5 lakh. Any coverage significantly below this level is unlikely to provide you with meaningful financial protection for a family. So, keeping this in mind, let us proceed with the IRR calculation. So, let us assume for calculation purpose that a 30-year-old male has purchased this plan with a sum assured of 5,000 rupees, a 5-year policy term, and a single premium of 200. At maturity, the policy pays 230 rupees, resulting in an internal rate of return IRR of 2.83% as per the policy's maturity calculator. So the key takeaway from the IRR analysis is that it gives you low returns. Like it generates an IRR of only 2.83%, offering negligible wealth creation. So the maturity amount is only marginally higher than the premium paid, and even the plan's maximum sum assured of 25,000 falls short of the 5 lakh minimum available under Saral Jeevan Bima plan, making it insufficient to provide you with meaningful financial security for a family. So now let us consider comparing this policy with other investments. Like if you compare this insurance policy with other life insurance, basically life insurance is designed to provide you with financial security to your dependents in your absence. The sum assured should be sufficient to replace your income, repay outstanding liabilities, and support your family's future financial goals. A pure term life insurance plan will offer you the higher life cover at an affordable premium, making it one of the most cost-effective ways to protect your family's financial future. For wealth creation, it is advisable to invest separately based on your financial goals, risk appetite, and investment horizon. A well-diversified investment portfolio can help you build long-term wealth and achieve your financial objectives more efficiently. So what is the final verdict? Is investing in the Kotak Sampoorn Bima micro insurance plan worth it or not? This is a basic endowment policy that combines life insurance with a guaranteed maturity benefit. However, the plan offers fixed policy terms and a single premium structure, leaving little flexibility to suit individual financial needs. Our analysis shows that the plan delivers low returns while providing inadequate life cover. Even the maximum sum assured is significantly lower than the coverage typically required to protect a family's financial future. As a result, this policy falls short as both a protection and a wealth creation solution, and it also has a high agent commission. So, for comprehensive financial security, it is advisable to separate insurance from investments. A pure term life insurance policy, as I previously mentioned, will provide you with high life cover at an affordable cost, ensuring your family is financially protected. And for wealth creation, invest according to your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment horizon through a well diversified portfolio. In essence, let life insurance protect your family and investments build your wealth separately.
If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.